Today, we're reviewing the Thermomix, an amazing kitchen appliance that allows you to cook and create incredible dishes effortlessly, even if you don't know how to cook. This device weighs, chops, blends, boils, cooks, and does practically everything for you. And today, we'll also test it out with a quick recipe. First, let's explore its features. You can search for any recipe you want directly on the screen. It has dedicated settings for time, blending, and cooking, making it extremely versatile. Its integrated scale means it can measure ingredients for you, while its powerful functions let you chop, knead, boil, steam, ferment, cook rice, peel potatoes, grate cheese, and so much more. But what I love the most are the step-by-step guided recipes. Even if you've never cooked before, you can prepare almost anything with ease. For tonight, I'm going to make Boston clam chowder. There's even an app for iPad that lets you search for recipes with ease. The interface is currently set to Italian, but you can change the language to English or other regions to access even more recipes. Let's get started. I've already saved the recipe to my favorites for quick access. The app shows you all the ingredients needed and walks you through each step. For example, if it requires sautéing onions, the Thermomix measures the onion for you, sautés it, and guides you to the next step. Here's a quick demonstration. Add celery, garlic, and salt, each measured precisely by the Thermomix. Set the speed to 5 and it blends everything perfectly. Add the bacon and it starts cooking for 10 minutes at 250 degrees Fahrenheit on speed 1. Next, add clams, potatoes, and seasonings like salt and pepper. It cooks everything for 15 minutes, ensuring the potatoes are tender. Add cornstarch and water for thickening, then cook for another 5 minutes. Finally, pour in the half and half and cook for an additional 4 minutes at 185 degrees Fahrenheit. And voila, the chowder is ready. Look at how beautiful it turned out, thick, creamy, and filled with chunks of clams. Let's do a quick taste test. Absolutely magical. This recipe is a total winner, and it perfectly showcases how simple it is to cook even the most complex dishes with the Thermomix. That's it for today. See you next time for more recipes and tips.